The Mazda CX-5 key fob, used for keyless entry on models since 2012, runs on a CR2032 coin cell battery. You can replace it yourself in about 5 to 10 minutes with a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. First, locate the small notch on the fob's seam, usually near the keyring. Gently pry open the case, separating the two halves. Be careful not to scratch the plastic or damage any internal components. For 2023 plus models, the fobs have improved waterproofing, so a bit more force might be needed. Newer models also have enhanced smart features, such as integrated tire pressure monitoring system buttons, so handle the fob carefully. Once the case is open, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the polarity. The positive side usually faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring it's oriented correctly. Misalignment can cause the fob to malfunction. Then, snap the case back together, making sure it's securely closed. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to verify the range, typically 50 to 100 feet. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity and that the battery is new. Dispose of the old battery responsibly at a recycling center. If problems persist, the vehicle's learn mode via the dashboard may be needed, or seek professional help. Remember to wear gloves to keep skin oil from affecting battery life.